Hi, welcome to TeckWrap channel. I'm Glory, and in today's video we're going to be making 3 different projects using TeckWrap Shrink Sheets. We have over here 2 types of shrink sheets. I have the translucent one and I have over here the white ones. We're going to be making some keychains, earrings, and also some fridge magnets. These sheets are easy to use and you can create different projects with them. I have over here the instructions for the shrink sheets. Here you can see what is the print side of each of the shrink sheets that they offer, how you can use it, and here what do you need to cut and shrink. Here I have both of my shrink sheets. I have over here the translucent one, as you can see is clear, and here is the white. Remember that you always have to print the side that is matte. So with anything else to say, let's get started. Once I open the program, I'm going to change the media size to A4, that is the size of the shrink sheet. Then let's add the registration mark so we can cut our designs. Now I will upload all the designs that I'm going to use with the white shrink sheet. I'm going to size them and put a size that is not going to ruin my design when we shrink the sheet. Remember that it shrinks at 45% of the size. And now I'm going to add an offset to each of the designs. Once I do that, I'm going to add some circles to my earrings and the keychain so I can have the holes for the ring. Now let's send to print. Now I'm going to send to cut, and these are the settings that I'm going to be using for the shrink sheet. And I will do the same process with the other designs that I'm going to use on the translucent shrink sheet. Now that I have my shrink sheets ready, with my designs, I'm going to take them out from the shrink sheet. We have to be really careful when we're doing this step. Now I'm going to use this heat gun so I can shrink the sheet. Let's see. And here we have our first piece. Look how beautiful. I love it. Now let's do the other ones and see the final result. Now that I'm done doing all my shrink sheets, I will apply some UV resin to my designs. Now that I have all my pieces ready, I'm going to put the keychain and make the earrings and show you the final result. And here's the final result of our keychains. Look how beautiful they look. Here we have our earrings. And here are the magnets. If you like today's project, leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Bye!